Time entry is a major function in project-centric organizations because it is the primary means of collecting labor costs against a project. Each resource of a project or team member of a project is required to submit time on a periodic basis, which is used to then drive labor cost for the project.
So we have developed TimeSpeed where the EBS users can log in with their credentials and then enter time with the features such as copying from the previous weeks and all the business rules that are defined in the OTL are getting inherited, validated, messages are shown, warnings are shown, and in a timely manner, they can submit the time card for processing for approvals. You could save the time card offline when you are working, and then you can sync with EBS and log in and submit your time card. What it simplifies is the easiness of entering of the time card with few clicks with all the validations that EBS would provide. So in terms of regular hours or overtime hours or any kind of projects that are supposed to be worked on, those kind of validation, everything, whatever has been defined for an employee, it all gets enforced within the time card. So that's a benefit I see rather than an offline system not having any validation. So that's the beauty of our TimeSpeed. Individuals and enterprises interested in TimeSpeed can get started by engaging us in an assessment process, and we would assess a number of employees entering the time card, whether they are on the go or they are within the corporate, and then we would choose the right application to implement.